you've ever suffered from acne or rosacea, you know what I'm talking about. When your skin barrier is broken, it's red, dry, itchy, and when you're feeling not good in your skin, the value for calming and soothing ingredients or products that are actually soothing increases so many folds, right? Right? Am I right? The market often gets flooded with actives that work, this exfoliates, that helps with collagen turnover and whatnot. But calming ingredients and calming products, I think, are super underrated. They might not always be viral because, viral in terms of skincare means absolutely nothing in my eyes. So when I find a calming product, I make sure I want to talk about it. The calming product that I want to talk about today is this one, the Access Y Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen. This is an excellent sunscreen for those who have rosacea, have irritated skin, and those who say, when you have acne and you're applying something on your skin, it feels like raw and not great. I try a lot of skincare products, and one such week last week or so, I thought my skin was a little irritated and I was afraid I was going to get breakouts. Like there were like minor irritation bumps and stuff like that, not because of any particular product, because I had been trying a lot of actives. So I tried this, the Access Y sunscreen. I had it in my kitty, and I think this is an excellent sunscreen for calming your skin down, especially for those who think sunscreen might aggravate your existing breakouts, etc. This has niacinamide, squalene, mugwort, all super calming ingredients, and it's a zinc oxide physical sunscreen. Now, I do not know if I would use this sunscreen and go out sunbathing. I don't think I would do that. For that, there are like sunscreens that I choose, which has a lot more sunscreen filters, etc. But this one is an amazing sunscreen for when you're at home or when you are running like light errands and you have broken out or like stressed out skin, basically. You might want to try this. Do you want to see the texture? I feel like you do. This is what I call a no frizz product. Like, it's so soothing and it calming, and it helps against sunburns, etc., etc., etc. Okay. If two fingers worked on one side of the cheek, it might be a little too much for me, but just you have to wait a while. It might have an initial white cast, but it dies down. So it's not tinted. It might not work for a lot of you if you're looking for a tinted sunscreen, but if you want something soothing, this is one of the great sets in the market that is available in India today. I like the subtle dewy sheen that it leaves. See, see, you might have to apply a little more than I just applied from one side of my cheek. Some of you often ask me, what are the non-tinted sunscreen options? I think this is a great option if you're looking for a non-tinted one. No fragrance, nothing. Just like every other sunscreen, you have to keep reapplying after every 2 hours. But I think it leaves a very gentle shine that I like, and it's super calming, no irritation, nothing, no staining the eyes at all. So yeah, big thumbs up to Access Y for the sunscreen.